Hey everyone, this is Hawks from Open Appliance. Check out our website in the video description. Today I'm going to show you how to put your Samsung refrigerator into extended defrost mode. This is very critical if you're dealing with a recurring frost buildup. From the factory, Samsung refrigerators use something called Adaptive Defrost Control, or ADC. It sounds really smart, but in the real world it doesn't defrost long enough, leading to ice buildups behind the panels, block airflow, and cooling issues. As a matter of fact, if you're doing a repair on this as a repair tech, this is mandatory to hedge against a callback and to keep the problem from reoccurring, because it'll give you longer defrost cycles. But even if you're not a tech, if you're just a homeowner watching this and noticing that you keep getting the ice buildup behind the evaporator panel, sometime doing this will solve the problem without any other repairs. That's right, no tools, no teardowns, just a hidden cheat code which will save you from an expensive repair sometimes. With that said, this will not fix a problem that's already happening. If your fridge already has the ice buildup, you're going to have to unplug it for 1, 2, 3 days and leave the refrigerator doors open to let all the hidden ice melt. But once it's gone, put your fridge into extended defrost mode, and that might prevent the issue from coming back. There is a bulletin from Samsung which shows how to do this, but it's very difficult to interpret visually, so this video will just walk you through the process step by step.
This is the Samsung service bulletin that explains how to put the refrigerator into extended defrost mode. It's not exactly intuitive. Honestly, this is like teaching someone how to ride a bike using a diagram. It's like tapping out Morse code. And to make matters worse, Samsung has multiple control panel styles which all look a little bit different. The key here is just to visually match the sequence that you're going to see next in the video, and to remember to press the buttons based on their position. As long as your Samsung refrigerator has 6 buttons arranged around like a clock, this method will work. If you want, you can download the PDF in the comments. We're going to start by holding in these 2 buttons for about 17 seconds, and it's really important that you do not release until you hear a second chime. Now you can release. And next we're going to press the lighting button 17 times to access the defrost menu. Here we are, we're in the defrost menu, and you'll see a 0. This means we're in automatic defrost mode. Our goal is to change it to manual defrost mode and to get it to option number 1. To change this to manual defrost mode, simply press the alarm key once until you see the number 1 on the screen. Next, just wait for 5 seconds until the display returns to the temperature setting. Next, we're going to unplug the refrigerator for at least 2 minutes. And then you're going to plug it right back in. And that's it. Now your Samsung refrigerator is in extended defrost mode, which will give it a longer defrost session than it shipped from the factory and hopefully prevent the ice buildup from forming again. Check out the website below. You see our website where we have a lot of other handy links. That's openappliance.io. And check out my other videos to see